Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 9 trades. Today's date is January the 10th and I'm using my Easy Scalper trading system. This one has not only the Easy Scalper indicator, that's this moving average, but it also has the Super Signal indicator. That's the one with the arrows. You'll get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting whether you should be considering buy or sell trades. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer as I trade the New York session. So I get in front of the charts a couple hours before the open of the New York market. Now I'm looking at all the different instruments, and of course I'm looking at my daily trade plan, and once I make a decision, want to be buying or selling, I manually put in this white arrow. Now here is the daily trade plan. It's running right up to date. Time right now is around 11:30 in the morning. And there's still trades to be taken if you want to continue trading for the rest of the day. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are struggling. If you have any questions or you're interested in buying this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's run a check on these trades now. First one I did was the pound New Zealand. Just checking here. Now I bought all of them except for two, the Russell and gold. Those last two, Russell and gold, I sold them. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything lined up perfectly for buying, qualified for a great way to trade. So I took the trade here and I closed it out just being happy, locking in 23 pips, and that paid out $149. Remember, you should be thinking like you're learning to become a doctor or lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support you have only a 5% chance of succeeding. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Moving on to the next trade, which is the EURCAD. Another one I wanted to be buying. Qualified for a great way to trade, so let's see where I got in at. Everything on the top, bottom, everything was suggesting it's going to go up. Keep in mind the market's very random and it does this, so you cannot make your stops really tight. Give it some room for this movement. Then I eventually closed it out here being happy. Looks like with the same number of pips, 23, and that paid out $179. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound Aussie. Another one I wanted to be buying. So another one also qualified for a great way to trade. Everything was perfect on the top and bottom. I knew it was going to go up. And up it went until I ended up locking in, looks like 31 pips, and those pips paid out $207. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro New Zealand. Wanted to be buying it. Another one looking very good for going up, qualified for a great way to trade. A lot of things saying to buy. So I bought at this cursor, and I closed it at this cursor, locking in, looks like 50 pips. And those pips paid out $317. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn how to trade the markets. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the pound yen. Another one I wanted to be buying. Charts looking great for an up move. Even went way past the ADR. Daily trade plan. Lots of signals here to buy. So I bought it that cursor and I closed it out here, locking in, it looks like 45 pips, and that paid out $322. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Here we go, let's run a check on it. Another charts looks very similar to the previous charts. Got in at this cursor. A lot of things telling me top and bottom to buy, so I bought it. Finally took off, got out at the top here, locking in about 55 pips, and those pips paid out $367. Okay, moving on to the Russell. Let's run a check on this one. This one I sold it. Scalper was red, daily trade plan said to sell. There's a few other things that's saying to sell. I stepped away from the computer, and would have been better to get out down here somewhere. But it was still a winner, no matter how you look at it. Locking in, well, it should be 38 because it pays $10 for each tick. So there it is right there, 38 ticks, paying out $380. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Yen. This one I bought it, so let's see where I got in at. Daily trade plan, scalper, super signal. Well, it's a no-brainer. Get in the trade. And I closed it at this cursor, locking in, let's see, 70. And it looks like those 70 pips paid out $480. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is gold. Now in gold, it pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, it should be 68.3 actually. So let's drag and drop this up. I sold it. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal, scalper. Everything top and bottom said it's going to go down, so that's exactly what it did. Went down, giving me what did I say, 68.3. That's as close as I'm going to be able. Well, 68. Let's just go with the 68, and that locked in $683. So another great day of trading using my easy scalper trading system. I knew it was going to be over 200. It was even over 300. Grand total came to 403 pips and ticks. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,086. So if your system's not producing like my easy scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy anything, quite simple, just get in contact with me. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see in the description, well, you'll see a banner, the word more. All you got to do is click on it. It opens up another window. And there you'll get all my contact information. You can either send me an email, you can pick up the phone and call me, or I provided a link to my Skype. All you got to do is click on it, even if you think you don't have Skype. If you have a computer or even a cell phone, clicking on the link, we'll have a Skype connection. After that, we can talk live, and I can even show you the charts. At that point, I can answer all your questions. You'll also see in the description 4 different packages. Remember, as I mentioned earlier, you're going to need a lot of education. Well, I do have in the description 4 packages I recommend. Over many years, I have more than 50 different packages, so I can show you lots of different systems if you want to see. Now I do have a special offer if you buy any 2 packages, and you got to buy both the packages at the same time. In other words, since I charge $250 each package, so when you pay $500, I'll give you one of the other package for free. One of the package below is called the Fib Master Full Course. I've improved a lot on the Fib tool compared to the original that you get in the MT4 platform. all you got to do is click on this fib tab right here. You just go swing low to swing high. There's your pullback right there. By the way, I could have traded that today. Came back to entry number 3 right there. Actually 2. Make that 2 right here. And usually it'll hit either 2, 3, 4, 5 or more. And on this particular day, it went all the way up to target number 9. I do have 10 different targets. It's a great tool, mainly because of the fact that millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. It is called the Fib Master Full Course. Comes complete with 30 training videos running about 20 minutes long each. So if you love Fibonacci, you are going to really love this fib tool. If you want to see a little bit more, well, just Skype me and I can show you some more examples. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.